How technology affects adolescents. What do they lack? Technology has advanced, meaning there are more products to keep children from interacting with the outside world. But what does this mean? This means children are lacking things such as vitamin C. They can't get enough sun, so they can't get enough nutrients. Interpersonal skills. And they are unable to release energy they have built up throughout the day. How to be interpersonal. Children miss the opportunity to learn interpersonal skills or skills that are developed as a child. But what are they, and why are they important? Interactive skills. Interactive skills are developed as a child from a very young age. These skills help to interact with other children. Communication skills. This helps a child communicate, such as being verbal, nonverbal. Teamwork skills. A child cannot adapt to working as a team if they have never worked as a team. Problem-solving skills. If a child is not able to solve a problem on their own, then they may never be able to solve that problem because they've never been around a problem. Decision-making skills. When it comes to deciding things, we use our own intellect, and a child cannot build that intellect if they are staring at a screen all day. Knowing right from wrong. Interpersonal skills are based on how a child can comprehend the outside world, and based on how they can approach others off those skills. But what happens if a child bases all their decisions on skills learned from video games or videos? Some examples of said games are Black Ops, Fortnite, Call of Duty, GTA, Halo, Assassin's Creed, and Mortal Kombat. Don't get me wrong, these are great games, but they can also have negative effects. Screen time. When you were a kid, do you remember asking your parents for just a few more minutes on that game? Or some more screen time? Well, this has become the new normal, and a simple answer to distract kids. But what can too much screen time do? It can mess up a child's sleep pattern. A child's sleep pattern is important, and developing one from a young age can help that child. Destroying interpersonal skills. These skills, as you've seen, are very important and critical, especially from a young mind. Causes higher stress levels. As adults, we tend to be really stressed out, even if it's over basic things. Now put that into a child. They might not be able to handle it like we can, so they need to develop this over time. Statistics. Statistics show that children today are more likely to spend more time using technology than using their free time for more interactive activities. As you see in the graph, you see that more screen play is used than any other time. That means screen time dominates kids' play, and this is a US average. But what are the health risks? A child can develop tunnel vision. This can affect their eyesight and their ability to see things properly. Faulty communication skills. A child might use the words that they have learned from that video game instead of using the words that are proper. Learning disabilities. Though not proven, there is a chance that a child can have a learning disability if they are strictly put to screen time, instead of being interactive and having interpersonal skills. Melatonin imbalance. This means that they are not getting enough energy out and they cannot sleep well. Hormonal imbalance. This means that a child cannot develop properly or grow properly because they are not developing properly. And improper nutrition because a child might not eat or drink because they are playing a video game or watching TV. But you're probably wondering, what's my point? Well, my point is, technology is a great development and should be used. It's informal and can help develop skills, but it should also be limited. Screen time is important in the development of a child and how they establish skills. Having our own opinion of technology and how it affects children is important, but it is crucial to remember all the side effects that come with screen time and the use of technology My point is to be aware and be alert. It might just help your child in the end. We need to understand that sometimes technology has bad effects, and this can affect a child in their development, their growth, how they talk, how they work, everything. It can affect everything. It is always nice to get a break as a parent, but you also need to remember that this child needs the outside world to learn all these things. They need to go outside and get a scraped knee because they'll learn, oh, that's something I can't do. They need to learn how to ride a bike, how to communicate, how to interact with a child. This will save a child in the end. Sure, a little screen time is not bad, but a lot of it, that can affect your child more than you will ever know.